Mastering idioms. Cut your teeth on. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions. We're going to explore the phrase, cut your teeth on, a common English idiom that can really enrich your conversational skills. This phrase is not just about dental health. It holds a deeper meaning in the realm of personal and professional development. So, let's unlock the secrets of this expression together. The phrase, cut your teeth on, originates from a natural process we all go through, teething. Babies cut their first teeth when they start to emerge through the gums. However, in the idiomatic sense, this phrase isn't about babies or teeth at all. It's a metaphorical expression used to describe gaining initial experience or skill in a particular field or activity. When someone says they cut their teeth on something, it means that's where they started learning and honing their skills. Understanding an idiom is one thing, but using it correctly in a sentence is another. Let's look at some examples. 1. She cut her teeth on local theater productions before landing a role in a major film. Here, it means the person started her acting career and developed her skills in local theater. 2. The journalist cut his teeth on small-town news stories before tackling national news. In this case, the journalist gained his initial experience in a smaller, less challenging environment. 3. Many successful programmers cut their teeth on simple coding projects before working on complex software. Here, it's about starting with basic tasks and gradually moving to more complicated ones. While cut your teeth on is a versatile phrase, it's essential to use it in the right context. It implies more than just starting something. It suggests a period of growth, learning, and sometimes struggle, leading to mastery or proficiency. It's often used to reflect back on the early stages of someone's career or life experiences with a sense of nostalgia or respect for the journey. And that's a wrap on the idiom, cut your teeth on. Remember, idiomatic expressions like this one add color and depth to our language, allowing us to express complex ideas in a nuanced way. So, don't hesitate to use this phrase when you want to talk about the early stages of learning and growth in any field. Happy learning, and I hope this video has helped you cut your teeth on understanding and using English idioms.